Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I thought I would sit down and do a get ready with me / review video of strictly Huda Beauty products. Now, Huda Beauty has been launching an insane amount of products lately. I basically feel that every 1 or 2 weeks she is releasing brand new products, and I'm super excited for them. The main 2 products that I really wanted to review is the all over body glitter as well as the Tantour contour and bronze cream. I have this one in the shade light and the all over body glitter in the shade Aphrodite. I really hope this is the right color. I do feel it might be a little bit too dark for me, but let's see. Now for my makeup look today, I will exclusively mainly be using Huda Beauty products. Now I know she doesn't have any eyeliner or any blush, so I might use some of my other products for that. But otherwise, let's go ahead and dig in and apply some makeup using exclusively mainly Huda Beauty products. I've zoomed you guys in just a little bit so that we can go ahead and apply these products and you guys can see how they actually apply onto my skin. So we're gonna start off with this all over body glitter. This product looks so interesting. The way Huda Beauty uses this is not just all over the body, but she applies it underneath her foundation. So I'm just gonna go ahead, go all the way in. I did get the brush that she created for this product as well. This brush looks really interesting. It's a very dense brush so that you can apply the highlighter. I have not used these products at all yet, so they're still brand new, and I'm really excited to do kind of a first impression for you guys. I'm gonna start off by putting a few pumps onto my hand. Feels really nice. I'm just gonna dab a few drops on there. I heard that this product really dries up really quickly, so I'm just gonna do one side. Yeah, it definitely dries up super quickly. I'm finding it a little bit difficult to kind of blend in. Kind of hate how it kind of bunches right over here, but let's just keep on blending and see what happens. I feel like after this, I'm going to look like an Oompa Loompa, seriously.
Oompa Doompa Dee Da. If you're not spoiled, then you will go far.
Let's apply a little bit more on the other side. I'm gonna use my fingers to apply it on this side, and let's see how that goes. Yeah, I feel like with your fingers, you're able to kind of blend it out just a little bit better than this side, for sure. A little bit goes definitely a long way with this. I look completely insane, totally know that, but it's makeup. It's supposed to be fun, right? Gonna blend it just a little bit more using the brush. Yeah, I definitely prefer applying it with my hands first and then using the brush to kind of blend it in just a little bit more. Now that I have this highlighter on, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the Huda Beauty foundation. This is the first time I'm using this foundation. I'm using it in the color Latte. And I heard this is a completely full coverage foundation, which I don't usually use, but let's see how it goes. I'm gonna go ahead and dab that all over my face. Okay, so this foundation is definitely full coverage and it looks so beautiful on the skin. The color matches me so well. I am really loving the coverage on this foundation. It looks absolutely beautiful, and definitely underneath that highlighter, it just really completely enclosed all of my pores. I don't see anything at all. It just feels like I have baby skin. Now I'm gonna apply the Huda Beauty concealer in Sugar Biscuit right underneath my eyes. Now I'm feeling super pale, but the application is absolutely beautiful and flawless. So I'm gonna go ahead and dig into this cream bronzer and see how it works. Now, this is definitely a first impression. I have not used this at all. I do really enjoy using Huda Beauty brushes. They are super soft, very well made, and this one in particular works really well with the cream bronzer. It has two sides. One side is for precise application of the product, and then the other side is to blend out the bronzer itself. So I haven't used this yet, so let's see how it works. It comes like this with a little cap. In the pictures that were online, I felt like they were a little bit too dark, so the light color felt like it would really work for my complexion. Okay, so I'm going to start off by dabbing it into the product. Feels very creamy. So I'm just going to apply a couple of dots right there on both sides. And then go ahead and blend that in. This actually really blends in so nicely. Usually when I've used other cream bronzers or cream products in general, it's so difficult to blend them in. I'm definitely loving this brush. It makes the application of this cream bronzer completely seamless, and the bronzer itself is gorgeous, so beautiful. Normally I do prefer powder products over cream, but this one blends like a dream. It looks absolutely gorgeous. Now I probably will apply a little bit of a bronzer powder on top, like my Marc Jacobs powder, but for today, because I want to use exclusively Huda Beauty products, I'm just going to leave it as is. Now that we have all of the base done, I'm going to go ahead and apply some setting powder. I have this one in Pound Cake, also by Huda Beauty. I absolutely love this setting powder. It smells amazing, and it just leaves your face looking so nice and clear and beautiful. Now I don't normally like to bake for very long. I do normally keep my setting powder for a couple of seconds, and then I just like to go ahead and powder it off. I don't like to have really dry skin. I do so like my skin to look nice and dewy. That's just the kind of look that I really enjoy. So I'm going to go ahead and pat off the excess. I think I'm going to stay with a neutral type of theme for this look. I'm going to be using my nude palette to go ahead and apply some eyeshadow. Again, using the Huda Beauty brushes, I'm going to dig into this beautiful mauve shade and just shade it into my crease. I'm going to go really simple with this look. Next up, I'm just going to use this mauve shade in Love Bite and apply that to my outer corner. Then with my finger, I'm gonna take this gorgeous glitter shade and just pat it into my inner corner. Now I'm going to use a smaller end of this flat brush and just apply the initial color that I used right underneath my eye. Alright, now I'm going to finish off my eyes by applying some eyeliner, mascara, and some blush, and I'll be right back. Now I have the rest of my eyes done, so I put some eyeliner, mascara, and I applied this liquid matte lipstick in Venus, so the look is all done. I do want to do a full day wear test with this look, so I'm going to do a couple of check-ins throughout the day. I do have an appointment to get my hair done. I think I'm going to do some highlights, so I'm going to take you guys with me, and let's see how these products wear for the rest of the day.
A few moments later.
So I've had this makeup on for about 9 hours now. I got my hair done, got a couple of errands done, and it looks pretty intact. Still looks fresh, and you can definitely see that highlighter peeking through, especially in my T-zone area. Now, it doesn't seem too oily at all when you see it in person. I think the glow of the light is really reflecting out with the highlighter, and that is the case outside too. In the sun, you can definitely see more of a glow, and I definitely feel like that is because of this body highlighter. Let me talk a little bit about the foundation itself. This is the first time that I use it, and it is so full coverage. It literally has stayed on all day, has not budged whatsoever. Now, I don't normally apply full coverage foundation, but definitely if I needed a full coverage foundation, this will be my go-to for sure. Let's go back to this body highlighter. It's definitely unlike anything else I have used before. The only thing is that when you apply it on, let me just get up and show you guys. It does get patchy kind of when you apply it on. And I know at first it looks like it's too dark for my skin tone, but when I blend it in, it kind of seems okay. But see how it looks kind of patchy when I use this brush? I don't feel like it blends it in very well. So I probably won't be using this brush all the time, but I do feel that when I use it with my hand, kind of blend it in, and you do have to really blend it in because it just dries up really quickly. Kind of blend it in with your hand really well, and then use the brush to kind of shear it out just a little bit more. It kind of gets the best effect. But you can see it is a pretty cool product. It does give me that glow. I'm quite white. Now, as for the cream contour, I definitely feel that this is one of its kind. First off, you feel that it's going to be too dark, but when you apply it on, it blends like a dream, and that makes all the difference really. And let me just do a little bit of swatches on my hand and show you guys how easy it is to blend it. It shears out so quickly and leaves this beautiful, beautiful contour. Definitely love it. Now, I do see myself applying my Marc Jacobs bronzer powder on top of it. I just feel it'll really accentuate that glow and that bronzed look even more so. This cream is beautiful underneath a powder. I feel like it would look really, really good. I definitely do recommend both of these products. They are beautiful, especially for the summertime. I don't know if Huda is going to be releasing any more products, but it certainly seems like she is. I believe that she just came out with a setting spray, and she is going to come out in the next week or so with neon eyeshadow palettes as well. So I don't know what's going on, but these two products are definitely awesome. I highly recommend them if you guys are thinking about them. The highlighter is gorgeous, looks really pretty underneath your foundation, even though when you first apply it, it looks absolutely crazy, but I assure you the end result is really pretty. Also, the contour cream, beautiful. It's not patchy whatsoever, very easy to use, definitely foolproof. I feel like anyone can use this product. And that's it for my review of Huda Beauty's recent releases. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. I do upload videos weekly. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next week.